Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Chef Vic Cuisine. Today we're making fried cabbage. Now this is the perfect side dish that is both easy to make and packed with flavor. In this recipe we have crispy cabbage leaves that have been sautéed to perfection alongside a savory blend of spices. So let's get started. All right, let's dive right into this recipe. For the star of the dish, we're gonna need 1 large head of green cabbage. For this, you wanna remove the core of the cabbage and then chop this up into small pieces. We're also gonna need 1 large white onion that we're going to dice into small pieces, 1 red bell pepper that's been thinly sliced. Wanna remove the core of that as well. And we're also going to need 1 to 2 cloves of garlic that we want to mince into small bits. Alright, so now we're going to add in 2 tablespoons worth of butter into a large pot set over medium heat, or 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 176 degrees Celsius. Once that butter is melted, we want to add in our diced onions and cook these onions for about 4 minutes or until they are tender and translucent. At this stage, you want to add in the minced garlic and allow this to cook for 1 to 2 minutes. After that time is up, we want to add in our diced cabbage as well as our diced red bell pepper to the pot and mix those into the rest of the ingredients. We also want to add in half a teaspoon of consomme powder, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1.5 teaspoons of Lawry's seasoned salt, as well as 1.5 teaspoons worth of black pepper, and 2 tablespoons worth of Worcestershire sauce, mixing all the ingredients together until they're well combined. We're also going to add in 1 more tablespoon's worth of unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and 1 teaspoon's worth of granulated white sugar. Give the ingredients a quick toss and then cover the pot and allow these ingredients to cook for 10 to 12 minutes over medium-low heat or 249 degrees Fahrenheit or 120 degrees Celsius. After the first 10 to 12 minutes, you want to remove the lid and increase the stovetop to medium heat or 350 Fahrenheit or 176 degrees Celsius. Stir the cabbage and allow it to cook until it and the red bell peppers are nice and tender. You always want to taste test this and season with additional salt and pepper to your own personal taste. With that final step, this fried cabbage is ready to be served and enjoyed. Congrats, you've made a great side dish for any occasion. You can always add bacon to this recipe as well if you want. Fry the bacon first in the pot and then use its grease as a substitute for the initial 2 tablespoons worth of butter. But when you do try this at home, be sure to tag me at Chef Vic Cuisine or hashtag Chef Vic Cuisine so I can see your great takes on this dish. As always, this recipe and many more can be found in my cookbook, Chef Vic Cuisine Volume 4, Enhancing Your Inner Chef. That's available on Amazon, and I'll be sure to leave a link to that in my description box. And feel free to click the pop-up on your screen for more information on that as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed learning how to make this recipe, and if you did, make sure you smash that like button for me. It's one of the best ways to show support for the channel. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you click the subscribe button too so you don't miss out on another recipe. And feel free to share this with all your family and friends. And stay tuned for next week where I show you an awesome side dish to make that's good with pretty much anything, my garlic bread. It's really easy to make and I think you'll love it. Well, thanks again for watching. I truly do appreciate it. You can always check out my videos on my page now. YouTube thinks you like these videos, so let's see if they're right. And I'll catch you next time on another episode of Chef Vic Cuisine. And until then, peace.